What's up everyone and welcome back to our channel and another video. Firefox 150.0.3 fixes important security vulnerabilities, and the good news is checking your browser version only takes a minute. In this video, I'll show you how to update Firefox safely, confirm the update installed correctly, and make sure automatic security updates stay enabled. Mozilla released Firefox 15.0.3 with security fixes for high-impact vulnerabilities. You do not need to understand every technical security detail here. The important thing is if your browser is outdated, it may stay exposed longer than necessary. That's why checking updates regularly matters. Just open Firefox. Check Menu. Then Help. Then About Firefox. As soon as this window opens, Firefox automatically checks for updates. This is the fastest official update path. Now, if an update is available, Firefox will start downloading it automatically. Do not close the browser during this process. Depending on your internet speed, this may only take a few seconds. If Firefox already says Firefox is up to date, then your browser may already be protected with the latest security patch. Once the update finishes, download and click Restart to update Firefox. This step matters because the security fixes do not fully apply until Firefox restarts. After reopening, Firefox should load normally with all the tabs restored. Now, go back to Menu, then Help, then About Microsoft. Verify the version number. You want to see 15.0.3. This will confirm the update actually applied successfully. To keep automatic updates enabled, go to Settings, General, then head to Firefox Updates. Make sure automatic updates remain enabled. Do not disable browser updates unless you have a very specific testing reason. Browsers are one of the most important security layers on your PC, so be careful with that. Quick security checks like this only take a minute and can help keep your browser secured and protected. If this video helped you out, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more practical browser and security guides. Thank you guys for watching and tuning into the video, and I will see you on the next one.